The GHSx-19 series of spring-loaded linear position sensors from Alliant Sensors Group, a division of GHSx LLC, offers reliable long-life operation utilizing LVIT linear variable inductance technology. LVIT technology consists of a high-resolution inductive sensing coil element coupled to built-in smart electronics. A conductive tube, referred to as a spoiler, travels over the coil element, changing the inductance. The smart electronics then generate an analog output signal that is proportional to the change in stroke. GHSx-19 LVITs are versatile devices that are used in a wide range of commercial and industrial gauging applications, including dimensional gauging of machined parts, roller gap distance measurement, and manufacturing process control. The GHSx-19 is available in measuring ranges up to 4 inches, with choices of analog voltage, current, or digital output signals. Analog output signals are adjustable using the SenSet field calibration feature. The housing is constructed of 3/4 inch OD stainless steel and rated to IP67. GHSx-19 LVITs are spring-loaded for ease of measuring an object that cannot be mechanically coupled to the sensor, and include a choice of PT02 connector, M12 connector, or integral cable connectivity. GHSx-19 LVITs are rugged and robust, making them an ideal solution for your demanding application. Alliant Sensor Group's experienced application engineers are standing by to help you solve your measurement challenges. For more information, visit us at alliantsensors.com.